100% pure snake oil by Gadget Man. It's the real deal.
Hey guys, beautiful day in Forreston, Minnesota. And this is my 2000 Dodge Ram 5.9 V8 Magnum engine. And this is Black Beauty right here. We need to brush the snow off of her, but what we're gonna do is the snake oil for the crankcase testing. So usually there'd be some black smoke coming out and some bluish smoke coming out, even seen some white smoke coming out. But I know it's burning oil. I mean, that jug of oil is always kept in the back there. So, all right, start it up. There it is. There's always that puff that comes out. You can see it on the snow. And it smells like oil. So we'll get a good listen of what it sounds like. Right now, it does smell like oil. So I did get the plenum gasket replaced on this, and that usually fixes the oil consumption issue with these engines. But I'm pretty sure I actually had it on a report from a mechanic shop in Cambridge, and they said the piston rings are probably fried. So we're going to restore some compression here with snake oil, I'm betting. So we're going to turn the truck off here in a little bit. We're going to add this 100% pure snake oil, and we're going to put it in the crankcase. We're going to put just a splash of oil on top of it because these valve covers have a ways to travel and then go under, and then before it finally drops into the valve train there. So we're gonna just do a splash of oil to carry that snake oil in, slither its way on inside and do its magic, and we're gonna watch the miracles happen here. So this truck is grooved, so this exhaust after a little bit will start to clear up as complete combustion helps to steam clean all that gunk out, but it still burns oil and on the first startup there, so we'll see what we can do. All right, and we'll keep you updated. In the meantime, visit snakeoil.wtf and also on YouTube, Snake Oil, 100% pure snake oil by Gadget Man. So this is, I guarantee you, this is going to be one of the awesome success stories for snake oil by Gadget Man, Ron Hatton. So if you guys haven't given him a call yet, his number is 406-422-3291. He'll pick up and he'd love to talk to you, and just this is going to be amazing. So here's the first video. God bless, guys. So I just revved it up a little bit after the snake oil got in there, and you can kind of see, like, still that right there, that bluish tint smoke, that's all. It smells super bad, and it's oil that's been burned in the combustion chamber. So, and you can see the black there too. All right, so it's still lingering around. Now this is burning a lot of oil. So we've got 5 cc's of snake oil in there. We're gonna leave it idling for a while. I can drive this truck. Gotta knock the snow off first, but maybe I'll do a short drive and then park and let it idle some more. And we'll see kind of over the next hour or so. I'll go over and look at the tailpipe, give it a whiff, and rev it up some more and see. The snake oil right now should under friction should be curing all those wear areas. So we'll keep you updated, guys.
During
Thanks for
Gadget
watching.
Man Michael's 2000 Ram 5.9, and this is the drive here. I'm low on fuel, but man, with the snake oil in here, this is feeling pretty powerful. This is nice. So it seems like my oil pressure's gotten a little bit better too. And this is a rolling at 15 or so. And we'll see as far as the power goes. Well, that just spun the tires. That's a lot of power. Yeah, wow. So I'm gonna have to ease up probably until about 30 or so. I don't know. Probably still turning the tires on. It's still really burning the wheels here. But I can tell the sound from before and after, the sound of the exhaust note. I've got a muffler, a high flow muffler, so I can hear better the exhaust note, and it's more consistent, and it just seems, you know, I've owned this truck for about 5 years. It started burning oil after the first year I got it, and it has not ran this good since. I wanted to mention, you know, when I began my journey of true fuel efficiency, you know, I about 15 years ago, but about 2 years ago, I came across Ron Hatton and his discoveries. And, you know, I'm an honest guy who's going to tell you if I'm a true believer in whatever that I do in my life. And I've got Ron Hatton's products in my engine. I've got it grooved, and I've got the snake oil in now. And I can honestly say, this stuff works. And it works really well. Big power. And I'm gonna leave it idling. I'm gonna take another video here. I'm gonna hop out, leave it idling, and take a whiff of the exhaust. But as so far on this test drive, I've been looking out this side view mirror here, and see on that Bobcat there, that's kind of what my tailpipe used to look like. And when I look out the side here, I've even seen it just solid black. But so far I've been looking, and there's nothing coming out. So I'm gonna park it here and do another video. We're gonna take a whiff and look at it. But so far it seems like snake oil's really done a great job. So thanks so much, Ron. And you guys check out snakeoil.wtf and learn about how we can make big change in the automotive world. All right, guys,
come back from our test drive here. Awesome power. And we've left black smoke, or carbon bits and oil and all that right there. We're gonna see what it does. And now, remember last time I revved it up to about 4,000 RPM, and there was just a big blue cloud of smoke, and went all the way, carried all the way over there. And we'll see. We'll bring it up to 4,000. We'll see what it does now. Well, it just sounds wonderful. It sounds great. And I smell some oil in the engine bay. I think there might be like some kind of leak going on in there. But the smoke, smell, and the amount of gunk coming out is greatly reduced. It has only been about 20 minutes of snake oil in here. Over the next week or so, it'll probably be gone. And I don't smell anything at the tailpipe. I mean, it's just clear steam coming out. So this is great results. There's no big blue puff of oil, anywhere. It's amazing what it does. So you guys support Ron Hatton, because what he's doing is just changing the automotive industry in a big positive way. He's saving you money. He's saving your engines, and you've got to experience this. This is not expensive. This treatment was 29 bucks. You can't find anything that does this on the auto parts shelf at O'Reilly's or anywhere else. I go to O'Reilly's all the time, but nowhere on any auto parts shelf can you find stuff that works this well. So, and she's just humming real nice. I don't know if you guys can. I mean, I'm gonna pop the hood here and take a listen, because I've never heard this engine running so smooth. There was some a lot louder noises, like ticking almost, and it's just so smooth now. I just can't wait to hear and see the results over the next week or so. I'm trying to keep Black Beauty alive here during the winter, so I'm gonna start her up every week or so, but it just sounds wonderful. So, you know what? Snake oil has striked again, and it is restoring our engines. I honestly didn't know if I was gonna have to replace the piston rings on this thing. I am definitely waiting to do any type of work. If I can pop a single syringe in the oil, that's amazing. So God bless, guys, and thanks for watching, and go on over to snakeoil.wtf and grab some of this stuff. And it's amazing. I mean, this is just steam coming out. This is my favorite part, Wow. So, and this truck is grooved. And so it's just clear, and that's amazing. Take care, guys.